Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before I deliver my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ridwan Fadilah. I'm from Group 5. Today I'm going to talk about various arts and tradition in Indonesia. Before Before that, I will explain that the first about arts, second about the tradition, the third about conclusion and suggestion. First, arts. God has created various types of living things in the form of plants, humans, and animals. Humans, as God's creators, have been given the gift of reason to think, be creative, and soon. With human reason, we can develop various abilities to create works of high value. One of the human works is art. Do you know what is meant by art? According to the Large Indonesian Dictionary, art is the ability of reason to create something of high value. Thus, art is a human work that has beauty and can be enjoyed and felt by humans. The following are examples of art Indonesia. First, Banten, The Bush, DKI Jakarta, Ondel-Ondel and Lenong. Third, West Java, Wayang Golek, Rudat, Banjet, Tarding and Degung. Central Java, Wayang Kulit, Kuda Lumping, Wayang Orang dan Ketoprak. Fifth, East Java, Ludruk, Reok and Wayang Kulit. Sixth, Bali, Wayang Kulit, and Jenger. Seventh, Riau, Deris Makiong. Eighth, Kalimantan, Deris Mamanda. Apart from the art research mentioned above, the ethnic group in Indonesia also have works of art in the forms of objects. Artworks produced by artists from various ethnic groups in Indonesia include painting, sculpture, carving, batik, weaving, and others. Famous art objects include Balinese and Jepara carvings, Asma statues, and Balinese statues, plates from the Dayak tribes in Kalimantan, and others. The result of the arts crafts have become souvenir items that are very popular with foreign tourists. Then, the tradition. Tradition in Latin traditio, which means to be passed on, or habit. In the simple sense, is something that has been done for a long time and has become part of the life of a group of people. Meanwhile, the meaning of the diversity of tradition is the diversity of habits that have been carried out for a long time and become part of the life of a community group. The following are examples of tradition in Indonesia. First, the tradition of siraman in Java. Javanese traditional ceremony for the bride and groom to clean themselves and their hearts so that they are more stable in carrying out their marriage the next day. Second, the tradition of Balimau in West Sumatra. Tradition to welcome the holy month of Ramadan. Balimau means bathing with shampooing, which symbolizes self-cleansing before fasting. Third, the tradition of Pasala Sumba in Sumba, a traditional ceremony performed to ask the gods for blessings so that the harvest in that year is successfully. Fourth, the tradition of Rambu Solo in Toraja. The death ceremony is a final sign of respect for the deceased, and much more. Then the conclusion and suggestion. Cultural diversity should not be used as a difference, but should be met as the work of the Indonesian nation. We as the Indonesian people have an obligation to always preserve this diverse culture. In addition, by deepening these diverse cultures, our insight will increase so that we will not become a dwarf nation. We can become a nation that is willing and able to appreciate the wealth we have in the form of cultural diversity. An attitude of mutual respect for culture needs to be developed so that our culture, which is known for its high value, remains sustainable, not exposed, not exposed to current coming from outside. Preserving national culture must be based on a high sense of awareness without coercion from anyone. In the framework of fostering national culture, we also need to develop regional culture because regional culture has a very important position. To respond to the existing diversity, we must respect one another in order to create peace. There is no division between all of us. I think that all I can deliver my presentation. I'm so sorry if there is so much the mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.